So guys, for us to be able to work with Python, we need to get some integrated development environment. Normally, you can run Python from your graphical user interface as well as using your terminal. And if you're using Unix, you can use the IDLE, which is the first IDE for Python that comes pre-installed. Same with Windows and Macintosh. So you all have IDLE if you install Python. So let me just show you what that is. So Python, then you see it here, this IDLE Python. You click on it. That's your first Python terminal. This one comes pre-installed with Python. And as you can see, we can do everything right here. 2 plus 2, and it says 4. But I prefer to use some other third-party ones. And the first one I will talk about is Pycharm. Okay, so to install Pycharm for Python, just go on Google and type Pycharm and click on this download button. So click on download Pycharm. There are two here. So the first one is professional, but I don't see any reason for you to download this because it comes with a 30-day free trial and you have to pay to use it after 30 days. But download the one that says community, which is free and is built as an open source software that we can use to work with our Python or for Python development. So click on download. Your download will start immediately. I have downloaded it already, so all I need to do is just to start installation. So to install, you just click on the file that you downloaded from Pycharm. Click on yes, next. Well, you can create your what's it called, your desktop shortcut, your context menu. You add the bin to the folder. You can also assign it to the .py file. It doesn't matter. Next, install. So I'm installing Pycharm on my computer right now. If you follow my steps correctly, you would have the same thing on your screen right now. So let's get it installed quickly. So I've just installed Pycharm on my computer and it's asking me to reboot. I don't want to reboot, so I'm going to do this manually later. So finish. And we can check it out already. So this is Pycharm already installed, the community edition. So I'm going to open it right now on my screen. Accept the terms and conditions. And there you have it, Pycharm installed. Then you can create a project. So I could just create a simple project. I could call it Python project. I'll leave it as it is. Then let's go. Create. So there you have it. This is Pycharm on my screen right now on my computer. And if you want to go on with Pycharm, then fine. But if you don't want to go on with Pycharm, you can watch the next video. I will show you how to install another editor that is very great with Python. So guys, that is it on installing Pycharm for Python. See you in the next one.